The talking drum speaks twice in a man's life. When a man is born and when a man dies. So a man realizing this shouldn't really be afraid to speak the truth to power, to speak the truth to the oppressor. Because when the silent whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up. When the silent whispers of the people of the Southeast turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and most importantly, click on the bell sign so that you can get notified whenever we upload a video. It's countdown, guys. Remember that this channel uploaded a video on the freedom for NNAMDI KANU, and we actually started a countdown because of the belief that we know that the charges against NNAMDI KANU is watery. If bandits have been pardoned and granted freedom, criminal politicians granted freedom, Sunday IGBOS enjoying his freedom in Benin Republic, why are they still holding NNAMDI KANU hostage? NNAMDI KANU is a prisoner of conscience. He speaks for the poor people of the Southeast, not just the Southeast, of all those that are marginalized in Nigeria and across the world. He deserves his freedom. This is Open Whispers channel. See something, say something, and do something. A nation without a vision, that nation perishes. And the Holy Bible says that when my people lack knowledge, the people suffer because of lack of knowledge. I want to take a minute to thank all those who have contributed one way or the other, especially those who disagree with us in our views. Our views is the same and has not changed. That we believe that what is good for A is good for B. The Igbo people are so resilient. I've not seen any tribe that has suffered what Igbos have suffered. Lost more than 3 million in the Nigerian Civil War. They were only left with 20 pounds to start their lives again. Suffered what is called abandoned property. Their properties across Nigeria were all taken over, despite the no victor, no vanquished policy. After the Civil War, they have continued to suffer marginalization. Hence, successive agitations or agitators have always arisen from that part of the world. Today, Atiku Abubakar will tell you that everybody in Nigeria is a Biafran because he realizes that the people have been relegated to the background in the nation called Nigeria. When you listen to the sound bites coming out from the Northern Elders Forum and all the Northern Coalition groups, that the Igbos cannot be trusted with government or presidency in Nigeria. But the problem is this, like any neighbor,
if somebody cannot let you be his gate man, how is he going to give you the keys to his house to come and live in the house? And I've just pointed out to you, show me that one person in this present government of APC, apart from statutory people, who is in this government. Show me one. Statutory ministers. Of course, you must have ministers. That is what the Constitution. Tell me which other person. They have SGF, they have this, they have E, they have A, they have all those ones. They never let any person from the Southeast get near. And then they will tell the Southeastern, oh, this and that they will get there. How are you going to get there? And I continue to reiterate, and I ask everybody in APC, if you don't let me be your gate man, how can you give me the key to your house? Because if you want me to be president, that means you're going to bring me in. I'm going to be part of what you buy his Dimiano. by his action, does not let you even smell the seat of government. And then the man tells you, don't worry, in 4 years' time, I'm going to give it to you. How will you believe him?
Said in a clip, if you cannot trust somebody to be a gate man, how can you trust that person to give him the key to your house? If you don't trust the IGBOS, if you don't want them, please, I say this to you, Pharaoh, let my people go. You cannot say you hate somebody and you keep that person. You have to choose the one where you are going. Almost all the sections or tribes in Nigeria have produced Nigerian presidency. When it got to the turn of the IGBOS, all conspiracy theories are coming up. We cannot trust the IGBOS. The IGBOS are agitating. And I'm always quick to point out to them, what about Sunday Igbo? What about other agitators from all the sections of the country? Why is it the IGBOS that you are finding this conspiracy theory to deny them the privilege, to show them that they belong to the Nigerian project? It's like when you want to kill a dog, you give a dog a bad name. You don't want us? That is fine. Pharaoh, let my people go. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be freed. Yesterday, he was denied bail. But the most important thing, which this channel prophesy will come to pass, is his freedom. That all the 6 amended counts by the federal government of Nigeria, they were all thrown out. That's one down and many to go. I'm convinced that Nnamdi Kanu will be released. And I'm convinced that all the watery charges against him will be dropped. But most importantly, the visit of Charles Soludo of Anambra State is commendable. And he said again, Nnamdi Kanu said again, what I've always repeated in this channel, that the killing and other carnages going on in the southeast is not perpetrated by IPOB. We want to know who is behind it. And the federal government owes the southeast a duty to expose those behind it. Unless, if there's something that we don't know that is going on, that a war that has been declared against those people, a second war, to relegate them to the background, or to prove that they don't matter. Federal government of Nigeria owes a duty to explain to the world what is going on in the southeast. When you release Nnamdi Kanu, it will prove a point, if those carnages continue, that IPOB, like he told Charles Soludo, that IPOB is not behind it, that he is saddened by what is going on there. And that brings me again to the killing of Deborah Samuel in Sokoto. That killing is condemnable by all men of goodwill. And I urge every meaningful person around the world and in Nigeria to condemn the killing. You cannot kill in the name of religion. It is unacceptable. And for Atiku Abubakar to condemn the killing and delete the tweet, man, you are not fooling anybody. You are not fooling anybody. And you said that tweet was not authorized by you. We have seen you. You don't want to condemn the mother of the poor girl whose only crime was searching for a greener pastures for her future and for her family, and she was murdered in cold blood. And most annoyingly, the Sokoto state government has not been able to charge the suspects to court with meaningful charges. They were charged with disturbance of public peace. And I shook my head again. Tambowa, you want to be the president of Nigeria, just like Atiku Abubakar, and now you are showing that you cannot rise up when you are needed to do so, to rise against religious sentiments, tribal sentiments, to call a spade, to charge these guys to court on murder. This child is a daughter of somebody. It could be your daughter. Atiku Abubakar, she could also be your daughter. And you cannot rise up. Okay, if that tweet was sent without your approval, now, Why don't you send another tweet to condemn what has happened? Up to this date, you have not done so. You are not fooling anybody. You see all these sound bites. And there was a demonstration. Again, the shops or businesses of the Southeasterners who did not even do anything wrong, but for being present, helping to develop the North, helping to develop Sokoto by bringing their economical power to that part of the world. Their shops were looted. Shops were looted, and nobody has spoken against it. Why are Igbos always the target of such things? Why me and why us? If you don't want us, let us go. That's why I said, Pharaoh, let my people go. You have done everything against us. Even when we are killed, nobody speaks against it. Our businesses are attacked, nobody speaks against it. Yet, we are everywhere, contributing to the economic development of Nigeria without recognition. Nobody pays us any consultancy to even contribute our quota. But when it matters most, in the key decision-making sectors of Nigeria, the Igbos are excluded, as you can see. All meaningful Nigerians, all pastors, instead of speaking against what is going on, some of them are speaking with their tongues in their cheeks, blaming the Igbos that they are not together. Which tribe in Nigeria around the world can you say that they are 100% together? And that is the beauty of democracy. We agree to disagree, but no justification can be given to the marginalization of the Igbos or the killing going on in the Southeast. Open Whispers is saying, see something, say something, and most importantly, do something. Freedom for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not negotiable, because I believe that his continued detention is the detention of all meaningful Nigerians, all men of goodwill. And if you keep quiet, whether you are a pastor, you are a social critic, or you are a man of justice, justice, equity, and fairness have friends, but they also have enemies. In the end of the day, or at the end of the day, we will remember not just the treatment of the oppressor, but the silence of all men of goodwill. That is what matters. Remember what the Legua said, that no evil done by man will ever go unpunished. That any evil done against man shall not last, because no evil shall ever triumph over goodness. It's only temporary. I want to leave you with those words. See something, say something, and most importantly, do something. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section, and let's continue interacting. Tell me what you feel. Freedom is coming our way. Nnamdi Kanu must be freed, and our countdown in our hearts has started. It's 1 week now since we started this campaign. Join this campaign and know that the walls of the oppressor will soon crumble. You don't trust the Igbos? You don't like the Igbos? It's alright. Pharaoh, let my people go. Thank you. and may God bless you.